So what is the future of agriculture? So imagine the world your children will live in 50 years from now if we don't make changes in agriculture. We know we will see continued environmental degradation, lack of food and water for many, and increased global conflicts over that food and water. And there are many components needed for sustainable food production, and seed is just one component, but it really is a very important component. And I wanted to just remind you of the dramatic advancements in plant genetics, really over a very short time, 10, 15 years. This is a little mustard weed called Arabidopsis, and it has a very small genome, and it was the first plant genome sequence. It took 7 years to get the complete sequence, $70 million, and 500 people. And at the time, a lot of people questioned the worthiness of sequencing this little mustard, and actually, at the same time, people were questioning whether it was worthwhile to sequence the human genome. It was truly very costly, and it truly did take a lot of funds from different kinds of research. But consider the situation today. This year, it's expected the same project to take 2 to 3 minutes and cost $99. And it's not only the Arabidopsis genome we have the corn genome, we have the rice genome, we have the banana genome, and banana is the fourth staple food in the world. It's the primary staple food for 100 million Africans. And we have soon the wheat genome. And now not only do we have a single genome, but we have multiple genomes of these different plant species. And that's important because every different variety has different genes with very important agronomic traits that breeders can use to enhance the sustainability of our farms. So it's a very, very exciting time in plant genetics for those of you that are students and are interested in pursuing a career. So I believe that it would be foolish really not to take advantage of the advances in plant genetics and to use this knowledge for public good. We believe that the judicious incorporation of two important strands of agriculture, agricultural biotechnology and agroecology, really are key to help feed the growing population in an ecologically balanced manner. Agriculture really needs our collective help and all appropriate tools. We feel very strongly that pitting genetic engineering and organic farming against each other only prevents the transformative changes that we need on our farms. And there really seems to be a communication gap between organic and conventional farmers and between consumers and scientists. And the stakes are very high in closing that gap. Without good science and good farming, we cannot even begin to dream about establishing an ecologically based, biologically based system of farming and ensuring food security.